What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're gonna go over Chainlink, guys. Currently sitting at 34.60. We're up almost 7% on the day. We're sitting a market cap of 15.92 billion, 24-hour volume 1.19 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app. You can grab one of their incredible Visa cards for cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, as well as $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. So we're gonna start here on the 4-hour time frame. We've broken out of this symmetrical triangle and our target is up here at 36.50. But more importantly, we've just broken out of a much larger pattern here. Just gonna zoom out a little bit, which is a cup and a handle. So we'll use our brush here. We created our cup, we created our handle. Now many coins are just starting to break out of these large reversal patterns. So terrific entry points as a trader, as an investor, in my opinion. All right, guys, so your target is all the way up at 53.33. You can see we're just starting to break the neckline. So that's a juicy trade opportunity here of about 60% for Link. I'm going to jump over to the daily, guys. We can see here on the daily, we had the bullish cross not too long ago, right around October 20th. So just a few weeks ago, we had the bullish cross. And we have our price targets based off the Fibonacci here at the 1.618, coming in about 127, and a blow off top that could take us all the way up to the 2 here, which is coming in at about 214 for Chainlink. And from the current price, that's a juicy gain of about 261% up to the 1.618, and you're looking at about a 500% gain up to the 2 extension for Chainlink. A lot of the large market cap alts like to have their runs in November and early December. So that may be what we see here for Chainlink going forward. So that's pretty much it in the short term, guys. We've broken out of this pattern here, and we're also getting above the golden ratio, which is a strong sign you're going to head up to where you started, which is your all-time high at about 53.33, and then the 1.272 extension here, which is coming in at about 78 here for Chainlink. And in the short term, if we do see a little bit of rollover here, do target the neckline from this much larger pattern, which is coming in at about 33.52. And then of course we have the golden ratio coming in about 31.47. But as of right now, we've broken this neckline. So if we can hold it as support, that's when you see continuation up to your all-time high at 51.33. And the 1.272 extension, I'll drop that in as well for you guys, coming in at about 78.48. So that's it for Chainlink. Just a nice little update here. Quick shout out to the Discord, over 1,000 members. We're posting chart patterns. We're talking all things crypto. It's the price of a coffee. You can sign up through the Patreon. You can follow me on IG if you'd like to. And I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.